today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning design using Canva, focusing on incorporating the popular halftone effect. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned designer, this tutorial will guide you effortlessly through the process, highlighting some useful tips and tricks along the way. Let's begin by heading over to your Canva document. If you haven't already, open Canva in your web browser and navigate to a blank document or the project you're currently working on. Don't worry if you're new to Canva. It's a very intuitive design tool with endless possibilities, making it suitable for everyone, from hobbyists to professionals. Once you have your Canva document open, look to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen and click on Elements. The Elements tab is your gateway to a vast collection of graphics, illustrations, and more, which you can use to jazz up your designs. In the search bar at the top of the Elements panel, type the word halftone. This is where the magic begins. The halftone effect is a fantastic way to give your design a vintage or pop art feel. And by searching here, you'll find a variety of halftone designs to choose from. As you browse through the options, select a halftone design that resonates with you and complements your project's theme. Once you've found the perfect one, simply click on it to insert it into your document. Canva makes it easy to adjust the size and position of any element, so feel free to resize and reposition your halftone to fit your layout perfectly. A tip while doing this: holding the Shift key while resizing will maintain the aspect ratio, ensuring your halftone design stays intact without any distortion. Next comes customization, which is where Canva truly shines. If you wish, you can adjust the transparency and color of your halftone to blend seamlessly with the rest of your design. To do this, click on the halftone element and you'll see the option to adjust the transparency appear in the toolbar above. Lowering the transparency can soften the effect, making your design appear more subtle and sophisticated. Similarly, you can change the color by selecting the color square in the toolbar, allowing you to match or contrast the halftone with other elements in your document. Remember, these adjustments are optional, but they can significantly enhance the appeal of your design. And that's it, you're done. You've now added a distinctive halftone element to your Canva design, enhancing its visual appeal and giving it a professional edge. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you're motivated to explore more design possibilities in Canva. Don't hesitate to experiment with different elements and effects to discover what works best for your creative projects. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy designing!